to the world of colors. I'm Colors. Good morning. It's late Monday morning, but I'm getting this on here. We had a little bit of problems this morning, but we're getting this on here this morning. So good morning to you. And this is what we're going to make this morning. These little skiers. They turned out really cute. They don't take very long to make. So I'm going to show you this little craft project. What you want to do is you want to go to the Dollar Tree and buy these little skiers. They're ornaments. And this is the one I have left right here that I haven't made yet into a skier. This is a Easy Peasy skier. And so I'm going to change them from ornament to Easy Peasy skiers. So that's what I'm going to show you today. So you want to take a pair of hunting socks from Dollar Tree, some pom-poms. I've got a couple of white pom-poms and a brown pom-pom for this one that I'm going to be making, which is this one here. This is the one I'm going to be making for you. And then you're going to need some flat marbles, a rubber band, some fleece for his scarf, and that's about it. The little bit of fur for the hair and the beard. That's a 4x4 piece of fur. White fur or off-white fur. And that's all we're going to need. And I'll be right back with you to get started. First thing that I wanted to do was to make the Easy Peasy body. And so what we want to do is take the flat marbles, couple handfuls, and put them in the bottom of the first sock. About like that. And then you just want to roll this up nice and tight. Pull this over. And then take it and put it in the bottom of the second sock. I had a request from a subscriber to make a really easy gnome, and I came up with the Easy Peasy. And I've been making it ever since, so they're pretty easy to make and not time consuming. Just roll that through like that. And you want to pull it up enough that you can put a rubber band around this. So you have a little bit of gray on the bottom, like that. And here's my rubber band. Put that around. So then you have your Easy Peasy body. And then we're going to take this ornament, this little gnome ornament from Dollar Tree. And I thought it would be nice to use the parts on it to make our own little skier Easy Peasy. So I'm going to take my blow dryer and I'm going to warm these things up. I'm going to take the skis off and the poles off, the hands off and the hat off, and get these materials that I'm going to need to make our Easy Peasy. So I'll be getting to do that, and I'll be right back. So I took my blow dryer and I heated up the different parts on the ornament so I could melt the glue and pull these parts off. I got all these, the skis and the poles and the hands and the hat. And then this is the stuffing that was inside what was left, the body that was left. And I'm going to use that stuffing and put it inside the hat. Make the hat a little bigger. I may even put some more polyester fiberfill on the hat. So then this is what we have left that we're not going to use. So the first thing we want to do is put the skis on. So you just bring those over and put the glue right on where the previous glue was and lay that right on there. The body right on the skis. And those will set up. And then we can take and put the hands on the sides, these mittens on the sides like this. Let me let that set up so I can put the poles on next. I'll be right back. So I went ahead and glued on the poles right in the little mittens there. And the next thing you want to do is take the 4x4 piece of white fur or off-white fur and go ahead and cut that right down the middle. See, about an inch from the end, like that. And then just, we'll put this around like that. And on the back, you glue these sides together. I'm out of glue. So you want to glue these sides together. And that becomes the hair in the back. And then the beard in the front. And kind of wisp it off to the side so we can see the skis and the holes. I'm going to use some hairspray on that. And then the vase filler I had over here in my basket, my bin here of these vase filler pieces that I didn't tell you about. But I'm sure you saw them on there. And we're going to use one of those for the nose. Any color that you want. And then the next thing I want to do is put on the hat. I'm going to trim the top here a little bit. Pretty small hat. So we'll just put the seam of the hat in the back and put some glue on our nose and then around in the hat. See if I can push that stuffing up there. And hold that down and let it set up. I'll be right back. So I sprayed this fur with the firm holding hairspray. And then I want to put the brown pom-pom on top of his hat. brown plays off the skis. And then around his neck, I put a piece of red fleece. It's about 12 inches long. Get that under there. And at the bottom, I put the little pom-poms that I got from Dollar Tree, the little glittery pom-poms. So that's all there is to it. To make your little skier. This is how they look together. This is the pair of them right here. And that's how easy they are to make. So I appreciate you coming and spending the time with us this morning. And if you like this video, make sure to like. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe. See you this weekend.